Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dot plots, part 2 worksheet. So I'll leave this slide on for just a short while because it explains what's happening, and you just read that at your leisure, pause it for as long as you like, and I'll move on to the next slide shortly, which contains the first 3 verses of the rap song. Okay, here are the first 3 verses of the rap song. I'll leave this on for a short while, pause it for as long as you like, and then I'll move on to the next 3 verses. And here are the next 3 verses. And here we have the worksheet. I'll leave that on for a short while, and you notice that the answers are on the next slide, and you can see how you went. Okay, you feel free to pause this slide for as long as you like. I'll now move on to the next slide. And these represent the answers, so you can check how you went. So this video has introduced a rap song about dot plots, and it's given us a brief worksheet, and it's also included the answers. So what I've done with this video, I've attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by including a rap song with my mathematics video. If you found this video useful, please click the like icon and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. On the next slide you can click on the link if you need to go to the lesson that explains this worksheet. You can also click on the subscribe button.